Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done the revision 6 in English literature notebook, and I have already told you that today we are going to start with the revision in our English language notebook. So, before starting the revision, I will tell you to take out your English language notebook today for your revision 1, for your revision test in English language. Now, today I am going to take revision of chapter 11, that is degrees of comparison. In this degree of comparison, I hope you all remember that when two or more than two nouns are compared, we make comparative degrees of comparison, that is the degree of adjectives from that is the comparative and the superlative degree of comparison. Now, before starting the revision, let me give you for an example also. Small, smaller, smallest. I think because of this you all would remember this chapter. Now let us begin with the revision in our English language notebook. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to start with our revision in English language notebook. So what you all have to do is today open your English language notebook for revision. Now, before starting the revision in our English language notebook, first of all fill the index. In this, put serial number 15, put today's date, revision 1, chapter 11, degrees of comparison, and count the number of page and write it here. After completing the index, come to a fresh page, that is a new page. Now in this, put today's date, classwork, revision 1, chapter 11, degrees of comparison. Today we are going to start our revision in degrees of comparison. So you have to mention the chapter number and the name of the chapter in the heading. Write all the heading using black pen. Now let us move to the exercise. A1 is fill in the blanks in the following sentences with correct degree of comparison. We have been given a word. You have to fill it using the correct degree of comparison. First one is India is dash than America. Here we are being given two states and we have been compared between two. So which type of degree you can use here is comparative. So fill in the blanks using comparative degree of comparison. Second one is Anuradha is dash intelligent than Anubhav. Here is the same also. We have been given two names. Third one is Piyush is dash than Abhijit. Piyush is dash than Abhijit. Compare. We have been given two names and the comparison is between two names. So fill in the right degree of comparison using the word smart. Fourth one is Sohan is dash than his brother. You have been given a comparison between two names. So write the correct degree of comparison using the word thin. Fifth one is Vardhaman books are the dash good to read. You have to fill the superlative degree of good over here because Vardhaman are the only books, the name which we have been given a single name, that is the Vardhaman. So you have to fill in the superlative degree of comparison over here using the word good. Now after completing this exercise, make a small line and come to B1. In this, you have to tick the correct degree of adjectives below. In this, we have been given two options in each and every sentence. You can see you have to tick one of them which is correct. First one is Shinhar is faster than Sharon. Second one is Karthik is really more promising boy. Third one is Dalhousie is coolest than Chandigarh. Fourth one is Shore is most faithful than his neighbor. Fifth one is Kartar was the slowest among all participants. I have given you 2 exercises here for your revision. You have to do these 2 exercises in your notebooks. Note down all the questions in your notebook so that you can all remember it for your future also. Put the heading using black pen and mark the answers of take the correct degree of comparison using black pen and fill in the blanks using black pen only. Copy all the questions using blue pen. Now let us repeat the revision once again. A1 is fill in the blanks in the following sentences with correct degree of comparison. India is dash hot than America. Second one is Anuradha is dash intelligent than Anubhav. Third one is Piyush is dash smart than Abhijit. Fourth one is Sohan is dash thin than his brother. Fifth one is Vardhman books are the dash good to read. After completing this, form a small line at the end and move to B1. B1 is tick the correct degree of the adjectives below. First one is Shinner is faster than Sharon. Put a full stop at the end. Second is Karthik is really a more promising boy. Third one is Dalhousie is coolest than Chandigarh. Fourth one is Chor is most faithful than his neighbor. Fifth one is Kartar was the slowest amongst all participants. Now, here we complete with the revision 1 in our English language notebook. Now, after completing this revision, form a line at the end which will show that you have completed your first revision of English language over here. Now, after this, for next day, homework for you all is to learn the chapter adverb with definition and with it exercises. Now next day I will be taking revision 2 will be from chapter adverb, and in adverb chapter you have to write the definition with learn the definition with all the exercises being given in the book. That means you have to revise whole of the chapter of adverb. Thank you.